Hey Tigerston! Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? Bienvenidos de vuelta. It's a beautiful day to be beautiful.
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? You're everything I hope for. You're everything I need. You are so beautiful to me.
Welcome back to Tigers Entertainment. If you want to achieve this look, it's a little natural looking. Ooh, baddie, what? Hey. Si quieren ver cómo resulté con este look natural y básico, vean este video. Just sit back and watch this video. Los productos que estoy usando, the products I'm using, are Cream of Nature. It's a curling mousse and an oil. Pure honey? That's right, my honey. I finally found a product that makes my hair light, bouncy. Have you ever felt like your skin gets peely when you put on makeup? Well, this right here is Stee Lauder. I don't know if I said that right. Don't quote me on that. But I use this combination for my face. One is facial and one is for the under eyes. Estos productos es maravilla para la piel. It has SPF. What else can we ask for? My mom actually gifted me this. It's Lancome primer. When I tell you, it's one of my favorites. I don't always use a combination of two foundations, only on the days I feel a little extra. Come closer. A little confession, the only reason I used two concealers today was because I was running out of this one. And this stick is longer, so I got what I needed from the bottom of this one. It's a girl thing, you know. You guys are probably asking yourselves, why is she using eyeshadows for the contour?
I don't remember asking you a goddamn thing.
Déjales digo, otra confesión, uso sombra a veces para operarme la nariz. Estoy seguro, I'm pretty sure that I said this in a previous video, que ya dije esto en un video de anterior, but I'm letting my eyebrows grow out.
Look at this face. I know the years are showing. Look at this life. I still don't know where it's going.
Estoy dejando que mis cejas crezcan para hacerlo con el hilo, to get them threaded. My mamita chula, thank you for putting me on to this beautiful mascara. Este rímel es de Maybelline and it's called Sky High. Lash Sensational. You're welcome. I just put you on. It makes my eyelashes look like I got falsies on. No joke. To finish that volumizing look, I go in with the diffuser. I started having the setting on cold because I feel that the heat makes my hair like frizzy. Rawr. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For TikTok, don't forget to like and comment. Gracias por ver este video. No se olviden de darle like, comenten y suscriben.